going on, y'all? So I figured I would do like a quick tutorial, not even a tutorial per se, but just me using my Curlee jelly in my hair. As you can see, my hair is kind of straight in the front just from me wearing it up. And you know, I just be wearing my little poof. But the one thing I love about my Curlee jelly is it doesn't make your hair hard, but it does give it a soft, it gives it a soft wet curl look. I'm just gonna take a little bit out. And as you can see, once you take it out, it's really pretty translucent.
And then just go all the way around.
Now you've seen the video then when I used it, when I did the young man's hair, and I did the comb twist and the finger coils on a different texture of hair. So just so you can know, it is versatile to work with different textures. Now, don't mind me because I haven't so there we have that. That's how, just to do a little quick bun with the curling jelly. There goes my shellac. Now, mind you, I don't be doing all of that to my edges like y'all all crazy, but I just like mine really nice and sleek, so.
Scoop it all out. Voila. And that just gives it a more defined slick look. Like, I don't be doing all that. Swirly twirl, whirly whirl. Push my eyebrows too. So that's what I mean about when you can
Mix and match the products together.
You know what I'm saying? So you can use the edge control with the curling jelly, and boom, you got yourself a nice little slick laid back ponytail. Bye.